guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will be teaching you how to open an account, a broker account that you can use in trading on the MetaTrader platform. So before we can trade in MetaTrader platform, you have to have a broker. A broker is like a company or group that you trade with, because you can't just enter into the forex market and start trading on your own. You have to have a broker. So on the screen here are some of the brokers that you can use to create an account with and trade in market with. Some of them include fbs.com, octafx.com, hotforex.com, coinex.com, and yugosway.com. But for this tutorial, I'm going to create an account with coinex.com because I don't have the accounts. Like, I already have octafx, fbs, but I don't have coinex account, so I will open account with them. Stay tuned. And here it is. You guys can see this is their website. This is how the website looks like. You can deposit minimum of 1 Bitcoin, 0.001 BTC, that is Bitcoins. So let me go and create the account. Creating an account with broker is easy. It's not that hard. Also, one of the reasons why I'm opening this account is because I don't think they require that you verify your account with ID card. Some of the other accounts like octafx, fbs, they all require you to verify your account using your ID card, either voter's card, national ID card, driver's license, or international passport. So that's why, like, I also want to open this one because I heard you don't need ID card to verify the account. You select your country. You just fill in your name, select your country. Let me look for Nigeria. And please, if you're filling your account, everything must be correct. The same name that you use in your account, bank account, that's the same name you must use. That's the same name you must use. Because, for example, if in coinex account, example in octafx and fbs account, if you use a different name in your account, when you want to cash in, that is put money in your broker account to use and trade, they will not agree. They will only collect money from a bank account that has the same name that you used in registering, and they'll only deposit money into accounts that has the same name that you used in your broker account. So when you're filling this form, you have to be careful. Make sure everything you used in registering is the same, or you have problems later. Wow, very easy. Okay, account has already been opened. The only thing left now is to verify it. So it seems like they're going to send me, the okay, it's through email. They're sending me the verification message to through email. 8245 8245 954 95. Submit. So my account has been verified. I keyed in, sorry, I did not show you the part where it was verified, but I went to my email, got the code which they sent me, and then I keyed it in. I keyed it in. So my account has been verified. So you go to the menu and you see option for deposit. If you want to deposit money into your broker account, go to the option, click on deposit. You see deposit fund, allow it to load, and you see the deposit by cryptocurrencies. And that's why you probably don't need ID card in order to verify your accounts. Assuming it was OctaFX or FBS, you deposit money into your broker account straight from your bank account, and for that they will need your, which is why you need to verify your broker account with your BVN and for a valid ID card. Without verifying your accounts with these two important things, BVN and ID card, you will not be able to deposit money into your accounts, neither will you be able to withdraw money from your gains from your first account. But I think I prefer this one better. So before you can transfer money into your broker account, you have to open a live account. So you go to your profile and then click on trading details and then click on new live account. Create account with MT4 or MT5. I like using MT4, so I'll use MT4. Select your leverage and select your currency. New MetaTrader live account. So they've given me the password where I will use to log into my live. So they've given me the password and my trading ID with which I'll use to log into MetaTrader. So let me log into MetaTrader. I'll log into MetaTrader, but first, before I log into MetaTrader, let me show you how to add money to your live account. Then you go to deposit funds, trading ID. You choose this one, which is that your MetaTrader account. Then you now add the money. You click below. I don't know why my own is covered, but you click below and select your form of payment. So I'm going to be paying using Bitcoins. Okay, I just loaded the website version. So let me zoom. You select your form of deposit. I'm going to deposit through Bitcoins and select your trading ID. Then you click on proceed. So they'll give you this yellow letter, long line of letter. This one marked yellow. That is your Bitcoin address, the Bitcoin address you're supposed to send the money to. So you have to make sure you send it within 30 minutes or the address will no longer be valid. In fact, I would advise you not to send it, to send it within the next 10 minutes. So once you send, copy this address, you send your Bitcoins, the amount you want, you send it to this address, and then the money will now be converted to dollars and be put in your account, your trading account. Now we will go on to logging in to MetaTrader with the account I've just created now. So this is the MetaTrader account. Let's go and log in. Manage accounts. You click on manage accounts, then click on the plus sign, log into an existing account. You search, you see a box with the root find broker. You search for Coinex live. Yeah, see it here live. Then you now input your login and your password. So you have to put in your login, which is then you paste your password and then sign in. Then you sign in. See, real. The other ones are demo. So that's how you sign into your account. Assuming there was money in this account, you would be seeing it right here, but I haven't put anything in yet. So next time, guys, thanks for watching.